What happened ke jing out khajana goods and services tax GST ba arpupra percent ke skill online gaming industry haka khat atre ujilli arja arpusa kala pente bakan ya khmat ya ke jing thmu ban kyntiew ki online games lani ki jing le kailing ba ke internet u amret kiran singh founder president ulaong bakani kalong kalat ban kyntiew ki kamele kai game online hapo ka Jylla ka banlaw rukum kalat ban ai kam ai jam na ka banta ki samla what happened ki jing ki bakia kendu ha ki babun ki liang ulaong bagajing pentrai kami ke GST ka long ka bakta ya baro ki rukam yo nong bat ki jing ken show pisa bat kani tang bakan pensakut ya jing trai kam ka industry henry ka yalam ru sa ka jing do ya ki lat kamai bahe bat kta ru ya jing sna ni sengkam
basically I'm here to tell you about the Skill Online Games Institute. It's but before that, I'd like to tell you about the industry because you can understand why the Skill Online Games Institute in reference to the industry. Yeah. So the online games industry is probably the largest industry in the world today. Definitely so in the entertainment space, but even across industries, it's one of the fastest growing and largest industries in the world today, with a huge potential to create jobs and allow companies to grow to enormous sizes. Just to give you an idea, the movie industry in the world, if you add Hollywood, Bollywood, whatever happens in England, France, Spain, Portugal, Tollywood in India, Telugu, cinema, all together is 42 billion US dollars worth, right? The music industry worldwide is 19 billion. So if you add the two together, it's roughly 62 billion. Do you know what the size of the online game industry is in the world already? The size of the online games industry is 159 billion, almost 3x, 3 times the size of the movie and the music industry put together. And it is growing at a much faster rate than the music and movie industry. And therefore, in 2 years, it is likely to be 5 times the size of the worldwide movie industry and music industry put together. That's how big this industry is. Everything has been going fine, but suddenly October 1st, 2023, the government decided to increase the GST on this industry. Just to give you an example, if the 4 of us are playing, 1, 2, 3, 4, and each of us, and we decide to play rummy or bridge or whatever online, and we all put 100 rupees each, right? The platform takes 10 rupees from that 100 rupees for its service fee for providing you a platform. You don't play against the platform, we will play against each other. But because the platform is provided to play this game, the platform owner takes 10 rupees from the 100 rupees. So he takes 10 rupees. Now 90 rupees is left, 90 mine, 90 yours, 90 yours, 90 yours, 360 rupees, 90 to 4, 360 rupees. Who knows how to play, whatever it is, if you're playing bridge, who of the 4 of us whose skill is better in bridge, he wins, he takes 360 rupees, right? He takes 360 rupees, TDS is deducted by the platform and given to the government, and the government is told, so and so, what is your name? Sir, what is your name? Name?
Starfy.
Huh?
Starfy.
Starfy.
Yeah.
Starfy, we tell the government, Mr. Starfy has won 360 rupees. So when his income tax is paid, he will pay his income because this is an income, right? So what was the GST? I'm telling you this example because I want to explain to you how GST was being paid earlier. Now, the 10 rupees that we got, the company got, the platform got, 18% GST was paid on that 10 rupees. Right? Previously, 18 rupees was paid on that 100 rupees. We thought the government will say pay 28% on that 10 rupees. But no, the government said pay 28%, but pay it on 100 rupees. That I put in, you put in, you put in. So instead of 18% on 10 rupees, the government now wants us to pay 28% on 100 rupees. Now, that is not, that is 1,000, almost 1,100% increase in tax. Suddenly, 1,100% increase in tax. From 18% on 10 rupees to 28% on 100 rupees is roughly between 1,000 and 1,100%. Now, also legally we think it's wrong because we have not got that money. The companies have not got that money, right? The money has gone to Mr. Safa. How can I pay when I have not got it? He has to pay that money, and he's paying income tax on it, he's paying TDS on it. Also, the law does not allow you to tax something that income tax is paid on. You can't pay another tax, TDS on it. Right? So even from that point of view, something that you're already paying TDS and income tax on, you can't pay for the GST. So from all ways, it's wrong. And the same people who had helped us get regulation, and very good regulation, very encouraging the regulation for this industry, the Niti Aayog and the PMO, the Cabinet Secretariat, sorry. They said right now is not a good time because elections is happening and the government needs a lot of money during the elections for all sorts of schemes, Ujjwala 2, etc., for the welfare. So that is a very big victory already, and a very good cooperation from the government to say, because the government normally does not say we will review. But since this is a new industry with a lot of potential, the government has very kindly agreed to review the GST tax after the election. Right? So the new government has come into place and they have agreed before the election that they will review this after the election. And this is the biggest, this is 3x of the movie and music industry put together. So it's a very big, a very big source of that can give the Indian government a boost for job creation and to increase its GDP.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishap, kashap plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataye kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau khau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashap plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka iron la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam khta I ka dur jingki mar bam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki.
Balehi panai kita.
Kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition bakam bha ka jing im bakam bha pendon kam daki mar ba madon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.